Hi, I'm Marika Vroman-Durning. I'm a registered nurse and the Senior Clinical Content Advisor for Sepsis Alliance. Today, I wanted to share with you this short video that shows you some of the resources Sepsis Alliance has made available for people who are undergoing home infusions or home dialysis. We believe that by offering this patient education material, we can make your job just a little bit easier. These resources can help reinforce the important education about infections and sepsis and give your patients something permanent that they can refer to as needed. We have a video and 3 documents, all available in both English and Spanish. They are to help the patients and their loved ones understand their increased risk of infection and the relationship between infections and sepsis. They are available on sepsis.org. Let me show you where. So first you go to sepsis.org. This is the landing page or the home page for Sepsis Alliance. I'm going to show you the video first. Hover over the word education in the menu bar and go down to video library. Click on that. Here you will find a compilation of the videos we've put out over the years. We are looking for home infusions, know the signs of infection to help prevent sepsis. And here is Spanish version. You click on view, it will open. And you will see it says YouTube, and that's because it's hosted on the Sepsis Alliance YouTube channel. You can subscribe to Sepsis Alliance there and see our previous videos and any new ones as well. So click on play, and here you go.
If you have a chronic illness and an infection, you might not need to be in a
hospital. So that's the video. Now let's go back to the home page so I can show you where the brochures and the zone page are. This time, instead of going to education, you're going to hover over sepsis basics. You want to go down to sepsis and click on that. It will bring you to the sepsis and page where we have many topics of different issues that are related to sepsis. Scroll down to invasive devices. Click on that and you come to the invasive devices page. There's some patient information there. And here you will find home dialysis, infection prevention, and the Spanish version. Home infusions, infection prevention, and the Spanish version, and a little bit lower, the zone sheet. You'll see you can also access the video here as well. So let's start with the zone sheet. If you click on it, you will see a preview, and you have to download it to your own computer. So this is the zone sheet once you have downloaded it. It is one page. So you can tape it to a wall, put it on a fridge, anywhere where you feel the patient or their caregiver will benefit from it. We explain why it's important to watch for the signs of infection, and importantly, that they should ask their home infusion nurse who they should contact if they have any signs or they believe they have any signs of infection. We also encourage them what to do to follow up, especially if it happens after business hours, because we know infections don't always occur at convenient times. So here we have the green zone where things are fine, yellow zones where they should draw their home infusion nurse's attention to it, and red zone, which is a medical emergency. So as I said, this is a one-page document that can be attached to the wall or put on the fridge or something like that. And then we have the brochures. We'll start with the home infusion brochure. These are 2 pages. They can be printed back to back, so you have one piece of paper. Here we talk about why somebody might be getting IV medication at home instead of in a hospital. We review a few of the medications that people might be taking at home. We talk about the extra risk for infection. Why do IVs themselves increase the risk of infection? On the other side of the page, we talk about how to reduce the risk of getting an infection at the IV site. And because we know that no matter how careful we are, there still is a chance that infections will develop, what to do if you get one. We have a short glossary where we talk about a few of the words or phrases that the people may hear if they're on home infusions. The dialysis brochure is very similar. We discuss why somebody may be getting dialysis at home rather than a hospital or in a dialysis center. We review very basically the types of dialysis, why people may be at risk for infection in the first place. And then on the other side of the page, we talk about the risk of infection at the catheter site or the fistula site. And here we also introduce the issue of antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, why that's important and why they need to know about it. We also have a glossary. And at the end of both brochures, we talk about endsuperbugs.org, where people can go to learn more about antimicrobial resistance. We hope that these resources will be helpful when you meet with your patients and their loved ones. We want them to understand the issues related to preventing infections and what they should do if an infection should occur. As I said, they are free for you to use and to give out to whomever you believe needs them. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us through sepsis.org.